Hello guys, welcome to Dark Angels Intuition. Welcome back sa mga nandito palagi na nanonood na nag-aabang ng readings ko. Thank you so much sa mga nagko-comment, nag-like and share. Yan, share ng mga stories nila, ng mga love stories nila, the pains. Yun, thank you so much. I really do appreciate reading all your comments. And sa mga nandito bago pa lang and nanonood na nagustuhan yung videos ko or yung mga ginagawa ko dito, my reading, so please to subscribe my channel and hit that notification bell para ma-notify kayo every time I upload a new video. Yan, ang gagawin ko ngayon is a Celtic cross spread, a general reading of course. Tignan natin kung kaninong story yung makuha ko. Is it kaninong reading to, sino maka-resonate dito. So tignan natin. Just a general reading, guys. I am planning to do all signs. Will there be any communication na mangyayari, but very late na kasi meron pa akong isang personal reading na gagawin, so maybe tomorrow in God's will. Pwedeng mag-early ako. If maka-early ako tomorrow, then I will do that for you guys. Okay, so sa ngayon, mag-general reading muna tayo with the Celtic cross spread. Tignan natin. Okay. So let's see. You are a single right now. So, iuurong ko siya. Okay. I hope na nakikita nyo, guys. So, with the first card, the present. Single ka ngayon. You are like someone, the Nine of Pentacles, like focusing, reaching on your goals. Yun yung focus mo ngayon. Reaching your goals, to be stable person, to be someone that everyone's adore. Parang madaming na-inspired sa'yo being single, being strong person at this present. So, with the immediate challenge is, your immediate challenge is the Four of Cups. Okay, the Four of Cups. This is something na sabihin natin na when it comes na ito yung magiging challenge sa'yo. Feeling ko somebody offers you a love, might be again, and parang ayaw mo muna siyang tanggapin. Ayaw mo munang accept yung offer, and ito yung nagiging challenge sa'yo. Okay? So, with the distant past, might be because merong nangyaring karmic relationship or meron nangyaring mga pagpipilian, option, may mga nangyaring pagkakamali when it comes to your relationship. And kaya namantong ka dito sa Queen of Pentacles. You became like, nag-focus ka sa sarili mo, to be stable person, to be matatag, na to nurture, to take care of yourself, na yung sarili mo na naman yung unahin mo. And yeah, like in your mind na parang one day makikita mo na hindi na ako ganun ka na nasasaktan tulad ng ngayon. So in the recent past, ito ka, you are becoming this Queen of Pentacles. So pwede tong guy, pwede tong girl, because this is a general reading, okay? Pwedeng vice versa also. Okay, so with your best outcome, you walk away on this situation, para like you walk away emotionally. Maybe feeling ko dito like you are tired already about this karmic situation. Kaya umalis ka na lang dito ng emotionally. Just wanted to laugh. Masakit sa'yo, pero umalis ka na lang talaga. Okay? So, in the immediate future, you have a lot of ideas. The new beginning. Madami ka nang naisip para sa sarili mo. The new beginning. You are thinking or feeling ko, you are like gathered information, or you are someone na parang you are focusing on how to make a new life for you. Parang ganon, this immediate future. So with the factors that affecting the situation is the High Priestess. You know everything. Alam mo yung mga nangyayari. Alam mo, kaya with this challenge, this person come back to you and offer you a love. Parang ayaw mo muna siyang katanggapin kasi alam mo na yung nangyari sa inyo in the past. Okay. So, external influences. This person is offering you now a new beginning of commitment. Gusto niya makipagpilikan sa'yo, like seryoso na siya. Kaya ito yung nagiging challenge sa'yo. Will I going to accept this person again or no? So, I will going to clarify, no worries. Parang inaano ko lang in every cards, okay? So, with your hopes and fears, nandun pa rin sa'yo yung hopes mo na sana magkaroon pa rin kayo ng celebration together. Na sana nabulol na naman ako. Magtatagumpay pa rin kayo in this relationship na meron kayo, like you still wanted this person na magkaroon kayo ng happiness and celebration. Kaya with the final outcome is hindi ka katulog sa gabi. Okay? Because you don't know if you're going to accept this person or not. Kasi okay ka na at this present situation. Okay ka na. Like, single ka but you are already like, naka-move on ka na talaga dito. Okay. So, I will go into clarify now. Actually, the message is already clear but I still going to clarify para magkaroon talaga siya ng story. So, let's see for your present situation. Anyway guys, you might be here, you might be a Capricorn, Pisces, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. So with your, what is this Nine of Pentacles, please? Decision. Strong ka na ngayon eh. You are already strong. You have already decided to be like this at this present situation. Like, guarded ka na. Like, hindi ka na matapang ka na ngayon na kaya mo nang harapin kung ano man yung papasok sa'yo. Like, the problems. Or babalik siya. Kaya mo na siyang harapin. Kaya mo na siyang say no. Parang ganon. And nakapag-decide ka na. But then, with this King of Pentacles, this person is coming back to you with this loyalty, sincerity, and honesty. With karga-karga niya yung kaya na kitang ipaglaban. We might be dealing here with a Capricorn. This person is watching you, gathered information about you, watching you on social media. Kaya nag-message siya sa'yo dito. You have received a message from this person na parang magkabalikan, na ayusin yung kayo with this challenge na meron dito. Four of Cups. This person is offering you again a love with this challenge. So, bakit siya naging challenge? Let's see. Kasi hindi ka na sure. Hindi ka na sure kasi long time naghihintay ka sa person na to na mag-message sa'yo. Very long time na hinihintay mo siya. Like you are manifesting, you are waiting, you are asking for a sign. Kung kailan siya babalik, kung kailan siya magpaparamdam sa'yo. And right now, parang, I'm not sure, it's very blurred anymore kung tatanggapin ko pa ba siya o hindi na. Like something like that. When this person message you. Kaya naging challenge to sa'yo. Kasi minahal mo to. You might be a like Pisces or Cancer here. Or your person, okay? So, kaya nandun sa'yo yung parang ayaw mo muna siyang tanggapin kasi this person parang pinahintay ka niya ng matagal, and right now na okay ka na, naka-move on ka na, babalik siya, right? See the outcome. You are like manifesting. You are manifesting. You are waiting. And until to the point na umalis ka na lang dito ng emotionally to find your light, your enlightenment of your life. Okay, to take the leap of faith towards a new beginning of your life. Na kahit sabihin natin na hindi ka sure kung ano yung, parang hindi ka prepared kasi you are still waiting for this person, pero tinuloy mo yun kasi parang feeling ko na napagod ka na. Napagod na ang puso ko, parang ganun. Napagod ka na sa kahintay sa person na to. So, in the past kasi nagkaroon ng karmic situation. Merong pagpipilian, merong pinili, something like that. And let's see. somebody. See? Oh, in the distant past, nagkaroon talaga ng obsession dito. Somebody, parang na-attract siya sa iba, nahulog siya sa iba, nagkaroon sila ng communication, like happy communication, like nag-enjoy sila to each other, nagkaroon ng obsession dito, nagkaroon ng something like that in the distant past. And you are keep on manifesting this person na magkabalikan kayo, magkaayos kayo, until to the point na, wait lang, I wanted to be alone. Gusto ko muna mag-isip. Parang feeling ko nawawala na yung spark, nawawasak na yung relationship namin. And parang ayoko na ng ganito. Gusto ko muna mapag-isa. Nagiging obsessed na ako, nagiging jealous. Meron na ditong jealousy na nangyayari because of this other person, because of this other person na pumasok sa buhay ninyo. And nagkaroon na ng jealousy, obsession, nagkaroon ng lies, and you are keeping manifesting this person na maging maayos kayo, na magbabalik yung mga sparks ninyo, yung love ninyo is like napag-isip-isip mo like, wait lang, parang hindi na tama, parang nawawasak na. I need a space, I need to be alone. You might be Virgo here or Gemini. Okay, so you might be also dealing here with a Capricorn, as I said earlier. Or did I say that? Yeah. You wanted to change to be the Empress. Okay, you wanted to change to be the Empress. And you might also be a Taurus sign here. Kasi itong person mo is like, parang nag-offer na siya ng pagmamahal sa iba. And parang nawawasak na kayo. Nagkaroon nawala yung spark. Yeah, nawasak. And even nagkaroon ng ending sa inyong dalawa. Okay. The Seven of Cups is also here. Nawala yung appreciation sa relationship. Kaya yun, in the distant past. So in the recent past, you decided to be the Queen of Pentacles. Parang andun ka sa point na hindi ako tanga, like tama na, I'm tired of this already. Sarili ko naman na muna, parang ganun. You have decided to be like this until to the point na umalis ka na dito ng emotionally from this person. Nandun pa yung love mo, iniwan mo yung emotions mo sa person mo, and umalis ka dito ng emotionally, like something like that. Masakit to sa'yo pero umalis ka. This is for you. Ito yung tamang way na gagawin. Parang ganun kasi parang napagod ka na dito. So in the immediate future, let's see, I will clarify what is this. Six of Cups in reverse. Okay. You don't want to miss this person in the immediate future. Parang ayaw mo na siyang mamimit. Naiisip mo siya pero ayaw mo na siyang isipin. Kasi parang gusto mo nang baguhin, like to start the new beginning of your life na talaga. Kasi in this present situation, okay ka na kahit mag-isa ka. Yeah, see? Because might be ayaw mo na siyang isipin because might be this person is already committed this time might be in the immediate future, and parang para sa akin is like you have already thinking about this, parang nakapag-decide ka na you have gathered information about this person. May pinalaman mo na committed na siya. Na siguro na nalaman mo na okay na siya. You are missing this person pero ayaw mo na nun. So, andun sa point na napag-isip-isip mo na about like you still wanted this person na maging kayo talaga, na magkaroon kayo ng victory together, like happiness, success together. Kaya nasaktan ka dito. Might be then the immediate future, nalaman mo na committed na siya. Nung umalis ka, nalaman mo na committed na siya. It's like nasaktan ka. Nasaktan ka because why this person did not fight for me? Bakit hindi niya ako pinaglaban? Nung umalis ako, bakit hindi niya ako hinabol? Something like that. Bakit hindi niya ako pinaglaban? And you are like, nandun sa'yo yung confusion, nandun sa'yo yung trap ka sa sarili mo. Naisip mo din na kung hindi ako umalis dati, siguro kami pa hanggang ngayon kung pinaglaban ko. Something like that. Parang nagkaroon ka ng trap in your own like mirror. Parang ganun. Nasaktan ka dito, naka-feel ka ng betrayal, like naka-feel ka ng something pain. Like natalo ka, parang nasaktan ka dito. Nung siguro nung umalis ka dito emotionally, and you thought that this person love you, you thought that this person really love you, na kung aalis ka the best outcome that you have made na umalis ka, might be feeling ko dito, you thought that this person will going to fight for you, na habulin ka, puntahan ka, sabihin na wag kang umalis. But then might be nalaman mo when you have gathered information about this person, na when you miss this person, nalaman mo siguro na committed na siya, and like feeling mo like, why? Akala ko tayo. Parang ganun. Kaya nandun sa point na I don't want to miss him. I don't want to think about him or her. Okay? So, the factors that affecting the situation na nalaman mo na, you know already, you have the ideas, you are smart enough, na alam mo na this person is already like committed. And now, bumalik siya sa'yo. Siguro nung nalaman mo na, yeah, for me, like, sorry, excuse me, like, nung okay ka na, like, you're single and you're already okay, you already, like, moving on, although naiisip mo pa din to, and, when you finally, this person finally come back and message you, and you're like, parang nandun sa'yo yung, you have gathered information, or tama ba itong gagawin ko, accept ko ba siya ulit o hindi. When you gathered information about this person na, oh, committed pala siya, bakit siya pumalik sa akin ngayon? Wait lang, I want to be alone. I want to think. Kasi when this person come back to you, na-miss mo siya. Of course, the emotions is there, the love is there. Na-miss mo siya, then siguro parang sinearch mo, something like that, kung okay pa ba, nabalikan siya, then suddenly you find out that this person is already committed, and parang sa'yo is like, oops, wait lang, na-miss ko siya, ayoko na to, kasi committed na siya. Now you know everything, you are the high priestess here. Ito yung factors na na-apekto sa situation, that you know everything now about this person na bumabalik sa'yo. So, the external influence here is the Ace of Cups, that this person offering you a love and commitment again sa'yo. Why? Okay, wait, I want to clarify. This person is still attracted on you. The willingness to communicate with you nandun pa talaga. The action, hindi siya nakakatulog dito. Hindi siya nakakatulog sa gabi. Your person might be also a Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, or a Cancer sign. Hindi siya nakatulog dito. Like, this person keep on thinking about you, keep thinking about what happened, and ando siya sa point na desidido na ako na makipag-communicate ako sa kanya, na I will going to do the action to communicate and to move forward towards her or him again. Kasi hindi na ako nakatulog dito. Nababothered na ako dito. Like, I wanted to move forward towards this person. Pero feeling trap siya in a way. Kasi nakita ko dito committed siya eh. Wait lang. Ay, sorry. Okay. Maybe also about this, like, sabihin natin na taglit lang. Maybe also this is you who wanted this person, na gusto mo talaga magkaroon kayo ng commitment nitong person na to. Yeah. Gusto mo ng commitment sa person, still sa person na to, kaya nandun ka sa point na when you found out na committed siya, na meron siyang karelasyon, is like nabothered ka dito. And this person come back to you and message you na I wanted to move forward towards with you. Hindi ako nakakatulog sa gabi, nababothered ako. Ang gusto ko, ikaw pa rin yung gusto ko. And pero nafe-feel trap siya dito in a way, kasi trap siya in a situation. Gusto niya pa rin ng balance connection with you. Might be nung umalis ka dito, na pag alam niya na nasaktan ka sobra. So, the hopes and fears. So, nahulog na siya. I will pick it up. Okay. 2 cards. So, with the hopes and fear here is like, with the three of cups here, the emotions is still there. You are hoping still for a, sabi ko nga kanina, celebration na meron kayo. A new commitment. Yung pag-uusbong, pagpapalikan ng pagmamahalan ninyo. The plans na meron kayo, may mga gusto mo pa rin ma-harvest yung happy commitment, happy relationship na parang tinanim mo noon. Gusto mo pa rin siya ma-harvest even until now. And even you also still wanted a new beginning from this person, to start all over again. Nandun pa rin sa iyo yung hope about that. And the fear is like, might be this person is like, we're going to play again, nababalik na naman yung dati, to have a third party, something like that. See, gusto mo pa rin talaga ng commitment. I mean, yeah, you're still hoping for a goal together, victory together. And the final outcome here is the Knight of Swords in reverse. I mean, not reverse. Nine of Swords. So, with the final outcome, nahirapan ka dito matulog sa gabi sa kaisip about this offer ng person na to. Okay. Okay, the attraction from your the attraction from your person is still there. Nagkaroon na kayo ngayon ng communication. You're starting enjoying your communication again. And the balance, nagkakaroon na naman kayo ng balance. Parang nagiging okay na naman kayo ngayon. The attraction, the happiness, the enjoyment of communication is there. And ito yung parang nababothered ka sa gabi, na hindi ka nakakatulog sa gabi, and because feeling ko mandun sa point na baka mahuhulog ka na naman sa person na to, kasi the attraction is there, the balance connection is there again. Okay, you might be a soulmate here. With the Temperance card, you might be dealing here with a Sagittarius, Aries, Sagittarius, Leo, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. So, nagkaroon kayo ngayon ng new beginning of communication. And parang feeling ko, ang pinag-uusapan ninyo ang yung past na mga promises, mga past na plans ninyo. And then dun ka sa point na hindi ka nakatulog. Should I accept this person? Ito na naging challenge sa'yo ngayon. Should I accept this person again or no? I saw that parang nalaman ko na committed na siya, but then I still want this person back into my life. Okay. So, what would be my advice? Nahulag. Oh, the Knight of Cups in reverse. Justice. Okay. The advice here is like, the Queen of Wands, the King of Wands. Your attraction, nandyan yung attraction sa inyong dalawa. With this Justice card, the balance connection. And the Ten of Cups, pwedeng kayo yung magkatuluyan dito. But then, bakit Knight of Cups in reverse yung lumabas? Feeling ko like this. In order to have or to fulfill your plans na magkaroon kayo, to build a happy relationship, complete the relationship, even to build a family here, it's like this person, parang feeling ko meron siyang dapat talikuran dito to give you the justice. Okay. Feeling ko itong person na to is like hindi siya masaya sa anong meron siya ngayon, kaya siya bumalik sa'yo. Kaya siya nagkaroon ng bumalik na kapag nagdesisyon na bumalik sa'yo to have this communication, to like to message you, na to manifest na magkabalikan kayo, kasi hindi na siya masaya sa kung anong commitment na meron siya ngayon. So, feeling ko para sa akin, the advice here is, since okay naman kayo, okay yung communication ninyong dalawa, is like, let this person explain, or let this person tell you everything. Kailangan niya kasi talaga dito na meron siyang dapat iwanan dito. If feeling ko lang, hindi naman to ganun ka deeper yung relationship niya doon sa isa. And if hindi na siya happy doon sa isa, kailangan niya na yung bitawan. Kung married man siya doon sa isa, is like hindi siya happy doon. So kailangan niya pa rin ng decision dito. Pero maybe merong mga legal matters na mangyayari. So just take care, okay? Kaya ka talaga dito na hindi mo alam kung accept mo pa yung offer o hindi, kasi ganito pala. So let's see, let's pull an oracle card for this. Separation, sadness, missing you, thinking about you. See, nung nagkahiwalay kayo, na-miss ka niya, na-miss mo siya. So not today. So yun, ito na yung 4 of Cups. Not today, not feeling, I'm still hurting, avoiding conversation, and I'm still angry. Mas, you are pretending. I told you. You are pretending, nahirapan ka dito. Yung true feelings mo, gusto mo pa rin talaga siya. Abundance. So, okay ka na ngayon. You are single, but you are focusing on your goals. Sa finances mo, okay ka na, matatag ka na, kaya mo na mag-isa. Wedding ring. So, might be, siguro, pwedeng kayo yung magkatuluyan, or pwedeng itong person na to is married na. Kasi also this one is a married card. Kaya nandun ka sa point, nahihirapan ka. Bakit ba ganito? Bakit ganyan? Okay. So addiction, codependent, obsession, I told you. This is in the distant past, na parang nagkaroon ng jealousy, obsession, controlling, kaya kayo nagkaroon ng separation. But this person is missing you, kaya nakipag-uusap siya sa iyo balik. Okay, so that is my reading for you guys. Para sa akin is like, kung hindi ka nakatulog ng maayos, talaga clear out sa person na to kung ano talaga yung pakay niya sa'yo. Kasi nakikita ko naman dito na gusto niya na maging sincere sa'yo with this Ace of Cups. Gusto niya talaga mag-move forward towards with you. Ikaw pala yung gusto niya, but then meron talaga siya kailangan i-decision dito na iwan ang isa para sa isa. Kasi hindi pwedeng isabay kayo, kasi if ganito lang naman yung mangyayari, wag mo na lang i-accept, kasi magkakaroon lang kayo ng problem. Itong person na to, kung ganito lang naman yung mangyayari, is like mawawala pa din yung spark niya sa'yo kung nakita mo na committed na pala siya. Okay? So, think about it. So, thank you and God bless.